This is the only video you need to watch to understand everything about mutual fund taxation. Hi everybody, welcome to our 20-day series to know everything about mutual funds part 11. All schemes where domestic equity investing is more than 65% will be classified as equity mutual funds. If you hold them for less than a year, you will be taxed at 20%, and if you hold them more than 1 year, it will be taxed at 12.5%. All schemes where debt investment is more than 65% will be classified as debt schemes. Irrespective of your holding period, you will be taxed at your marginal slab rates. Everything else which does not qualify as equity or debt will be taxed at marginal slab rate if you hold them for less than 24 months, and will be charged 12.5% tax if you hold them for more than 24 months. In the next video, I'm going to share with you all everything that you need to know about different types of equity mutual funds. Thank you so much.